That's better for you, not quite better for me. Cause yeah, the bathroom upstairs, not that great, so trying to do it down here. And yes, I still have hormonal acne and acne because stress and being in the bed, and leave me alone. I got the leave me alone acne. But yeah, my hair is starting to frizz up, so I had to do something to it immediately. So I did what the best part that I fucking could. I don't part my hair. I'm the laziest bitch alive when it comes to my hair. Thank God God blessed me and God does my hair more than I do, because I ain't right, y'all. Oops. Wrong fucking hair tie. My dumbass, slow ass, dumbass, duck ass, what the fuck ass. My shit always crooked. I don't know, guys. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. It's just like, yeah. And it was great because I learned way more than just about SpaceBuns that day. I learned about myself.